The next step in writing your research journal is going to be to start adding your entries for each section. Now, you will be doing this one section at a time, and we will be workshopping each section for one day in class. So you'll have one day to conduct your research on the topic and write your entry. And the first step is to actually choose that topic. So you will find all of the topics that you are allowed to do for each section in the stamped research module prompts document. You'll need to access the electronic copy of that document, and you can do that one of two ways. You will always be able to go to the assignments page on Canvas. I like to view this page by filtering just to the second semester, since that is currently where we are at. And there's a lot of things from first semester I don't want to see anymore. And I like to also click the show by type option, because that will sort the things into classwork and summative assessments, so I can very easily see um, which assignments are most important. Also, this is a summative assessment, so it's really handy to be able to get to that and access that very quickly. There are a lot fewer summative assignments to search through. In fact, there's only one right now. So if I go to that page, that's where you can find the electronic copy of the guidelines. I also have them linked to the whiteboard on the homepage in Canvas most of the time that we will be working on this. So anyway, you're going to click on that link to open up that prompt document, and that is when you will see all of the prompts. Now, they are sorted by section. You need to be careful that you are limiting yourself to the section that we're working on. And the way that they are laid out, you have the general topic in the left-hand blue column. In the center column, you have the task, and in the right column, you have the sources that you'll be using in addition to the book. So if you look at the task box, the first paragraph that is not bold is always going to tell you a little bit about what is said in the book about the topic. So what you've already read about the topic. The second paragraph is going to tell you what you'll be researching. And the third paragraph will have the question that your journal entry will answer. That question will be highlighted yellow. And then there are some additional instructions about how you are supposed to be addressing that question in your writing. And each prompt is laid out like that. So you can see right now the prompts for both section 1 and section 2 have been published. So this first workshop, the first workshop, you're just working on section 1. So if this is your first entry, you should be looking just at the section 1 topics, and you can see there are 3 of those. Now, for the example that I'm going to be showing you throughout these videos, I'm actually using a different prompt, and I will be demonstrating with that prompt, and it's not in these. So don't let that confuse you. But you can just look at those topics and decide which one seems most interesting to you, because you're going to be doing some more research on it. You're going to be finding out some more things about it.